Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have another plush unboxing, and today, if you can see from the title, was the Dark Mephiles plush. Today I'm going to be opening him. I recently just got it from Amazon, and if you didn't know, that Mephiles the Dark was originally from the Sonic 06 game, and well, coming from the Sonic 06 game, people hated the game because they thought it was really bad, and well, obviously it looked pretty bad, but I never played it. Or I did play it as a kid, like a really small kid, but like, still, I thought it was a pretty good game because of the cutscenes. Alright, today, Mephiles the Dark Plush is coming out. 3, 2, 1. Oh, sorry about that. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Oh, here it is, guys. Mephiles the Dark Plush. And, he looks okay. Let's go ahead and, open them up. Oh, here is thank you for the purchase. We appreciate your positive feedback, and if you have any concerns, please contact us if it's a chance. And yeah, there's that. I don't really care about that. We have the plush. That's the main thing we got. So let's go ahead and open the plush up. These scissors suck. Just one minute. Come on. Ugh. Ooh. So, ladies and gentlemen, here is Mephiles the Dark Plush. I did not expect him to feel like this. So, yeah. That's the Dark Plush. Alright, so this is Mephiles the Dark Plush. So, as you can see, he does have embroidered eyes. Look into my soul. So, yeah. We have, his iconic, design. It was based off by Shadow the Hedgehog. It was an entity clone from the Sonic 06 series. And, yeah. And also, I saw that there's like a... Oh, man. Wait. Oh, there is. There's something under the fate of... Oh, here. So, look, as you can see, it's all purple. It turned into purple, and then it turned to a nice purple. That's what I like about this plush. This plush is really nice. But yeah. So, yeah, he doesn't have no nose because he's Mephiles the Dark. He's pretty small, and we'll get into the size comparison later. His feet are a weird choice, I guess. And overall, the plush, he's pretty cool, pretty nice, and his fingers. Little fingers, yeah, and smell like strawberries. Everything else smells, or not everything smells. Everything is alright. The size, we'll be comparing the size right now. So, right here I have the Tommy Shadow Plush. Shadow Plush. And if we compare him next to Mephiles, he's pretty short, guys. Really short. Comparing on the camera. Really the camera. Just show this. There. So if we compare these two guys side by side, you see that the Shadow, the plush, is a little bit more bigger. But they still whoop each other. You're my clone? No, I'm better than you. But yeah, there's Mephiles the Dark Plush compared by Shadow, and then we have the 12-inch modern Sonic Plush. Really big. If you watch my Werehog video, you should go really check it out. It's funny. I don't think it was that funny to other people, but like, here's the size comparison. But yeah, that's Mephiles the Dark Plush for Sonic, and I want to test out one more character. I am going to mention Sonic the Werehog Plush. Compare it right next to Mephiles. They're almost pretty much the same height. The Werehog's pretty long, or pretty big, compared to Mephiles. See in the back. Dark, yeah. Pretty cool. Next, these are some custom ones I made, which I thought these were pretty cool. I made a Pac-Man plush. He's pretty small. I just want to figure it out. I just want to show him in this video, because he's pretty cool, how I made him. Comparing to Mephiles the Dark, yeah, pretty big. And we also have a featured guest, Blinky, a pretty nice plush indeed. Okay, so here is the Blinky size up, pretty big. And we have one more plush, which a lot of people might dislike. I mean, depending if you're a fan or not. The Among Us plush I made, Imposter. You can take this off, like it's detachable, it's glue. But like, yeah. Compare him with Mephiles the Dark. Pretty small, pretty small. Move this down. Yeah. Pretty small plush, pretty small plush. Come here, Among Us. Ugh. But yeah. This is Mephiles the Dark Plush. So if you like this video, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment, turn on notifications, subscribe, and what's it called? I will be doing a series coming soon. Now that I got Mephiles the Dark Plush and Sonic the Werehog coming soon. If you are staying tuned in, oh, don't worry, kids. I got you. I'll make sure you get the series. Don't worry. I mean, if people are even interested in my series, but I highly doubt that. But don't worry. Mephiles the Dark's got you. Shh. Mewing. But overall, I'll give this plush like a 8 out of 10. They could have at least increased the size of the plush a little by a little bit, just like a little bit. But if it would have gotten a 9, if it did, kind of big plush upgrade on like size. But yeah, that's Mephiles the Dark Plush, everyone. It's Mephiles the Dark Plush.